Hello everyone, I'm Paul and today we're solving problem 1784. Check if binary string has at most one segment of ones. This is an easy problem and next I will show you my thought process and efficient solution. We are given a binary string S, meaning a string with only ones and zeros without leading zeros. And we need to return true if the string has at most one contiguous segment of ones, otherwise we return false. So let's say that we're given this string. Here this is a contiguous segment of ones, this is another one, and this is another one. Given that we have 3, but we need 1 as maximum, we return false in this case. Now let's say that we don't have this. Here we have only one contiguous segment of ones, and given that this is what we need, we can return true in this case. So there are different solutions for this. One is you could iterate this from left to right and count the number of contiguous segments with only ones. Here we have one, this is another one, this is another one. Given that 3 segments is greater than the 1 segment that we need, in this case we return false. And this is fine, this works, but we have a solution that's way more simple. We know that we don't have leading zeros. This means that we will never find something like this, for example. Every string starts with 1. And after this 1 we can have either 1 or 0. If we have all ones, well, here we have one segment with all ones, so in this case we return true. If we have all zeros, here we have only one segment with ones, so we also return true. Now let's say that we have 2 ones and 3 zeros, and then we have another one. As soon as we see a 1 after a 0, we can just return false. Why? Well, because we know that this one is the starting point of a new contiguous segment of ones, and we need one segment as a maximum. If we have a 0 before a 1, given that we can't have leading zeros, this is the starting point of a new segment, so we return false right away. And this is basically the entire approach. We are iterating the string from left to right, and whenever we find 0, 1, we just return false. If we are iterating this, here we have 0, 1, so we can return false. This means that we have at least 2 segments with ones, and given that we need 1, we just return false. If we reach the end of the string and we never return false, we return true. Time complexity here is big O of n because we had to iterate the string, and space complexity is big O of 1. So with this in mind, now let's see how to code this up. This is a very short code. We only need to check if we have 0, 1 in the string. If we do, we have to return false. This means that we have more than one contiguous segment with ones. If we don't, we have to return true, so we can just return not 0, 1 in the string. And that's it. We only need one line of code. So let's submit this. As you can see, this works and it's very efficient. So if you found this useful, please drop a like, subscribe, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.